Hello everyone. In this video, I show you how to manually update NAKIVO Backup and Replication as a full solution or just the transporter in the operating system of Synology NAS. First, go to the Synology Package Center and search for NAKIVO. In the search results, you get NAKIVO Backup and Replication as a full solution and/or transporter only. In my case, I need to update the full solution to the latest version. So, I click NAKIVO Backup and Replication Full Solution. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to see the current version before the update. I have version 10.8, which is not the latest version. To update it, go to Control Panel in Synology Disk Station Manager. Then click Info Center. Identify the type of central processing unit installed on your NAS device. Check the processor architecture to identify whether it is x86 or ARM. In my case, I have the Intel processor with the x86 architecture. Go to the update page on the NAKIVO website at nakivo.com/resources/download/update. The default option is to download the NAKIVO update package for the NAS with an Intel x86 processor. If you expand the download options, you can also see packages for NAS solutions using ARM processors versions 7 and 8 for updating the full solution or the transporter only. I have already downloaded the full solution package for the Intel x86 processor architecture. Switch back to the Synology Package Center, click Manually Install, click Browse to find the directory where you saved the downloaded updater file on your computer. Select the NAKIVO Backup and Replication Updater package for Synology NAS and click Open. Then go to the next step of the manual install wizard. Select the checkbox to accept the license agreement and click Next. This is the updater to NAKIVO Backup and Replication version 11. Click Apply. The update process starts. The update has been completed. Let's verify whether the NAKIVO solution was updated successfully. In the Package Center, go to Installed Packages and click NAKIVO Backup and Replication. I can see that the installed version of the NAKIVO solution is 11.0. Thank you for watching.